So I like this car fairly high at the back because of the type of car it is, and it's kind of old school. But it was a little bit too high, so believe it or not, I actually lowered it 1.5 inches. But I think that's a pretty good look. Now I've had a lot of cars, 150 cars, and this is the wildest car I've ever built for the street. I think it's actually about as wild as you can go for a true street driving car. Now I know there's people who's got cars which might be fast on the drag strip, which they drive on the street, but this is about 800 horsepower, and I tell you, it is almost too much power for the street. You better be holding on tight when you touch that gas pedal. But I've got 48-inch ladder bars on it, 9-inch. It's actually got a 350 ratio rear end because it's got so much power. I didn't need it to be any lower than that. Plus I like to drive it on the interstate and stuff. I've got QA1 adjustable shocks, Rytech sway bars, 871 blower on it. It's a 8.1 litre big block. Cars are show cars. They're all built for the street, but they're pretty nice. But these are no trailer queens. And it's got ice cold AC. How many cars like this have music and ice cold AC? And the insulation I did in the floor of this car was unbelievable. Like multiple layers of the black soundproofing insulation, insulation under the seats and the firewall, Duke padding really thick, so it's so well insulated. The AC is ice cold in this car. I got my stainless steel 3-inch exhaust system. You see my ladder bars. Transmission in it, 400, reverse valve body with a custom built torque converter, but the stall on the torque converter is only around 2000. I didn't want a real high stall converter, but it's a pretty wild ride. Anyway, check out my channel, subscribe. We've got 5 houses next to each other, big garages and a lot of them. We've got a lot of cars. And quite a lot of unique features on a lot of our cars. Anyway, it'd be really great if you subscribe to the channel and then go to the different playlists and you can check out our builds. We even do our own interiors. My daughter does the interiors of the cars. She did these 2 seats. Solon upholstery. Does mostly boats. I haven't finished here yet. Still got some stuff to do. I've been a bit lazy. But anyway, this is some of our stuff.